In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to integrate Aramex with Shopify, seamlessly linking your e-commerce platform with your chosen shipping solution. We'll take our first stride by identifying an appropriate Aramex application that meets your needs. Head over to the Shopify App Store and plunge into a quick search for an Aramex integration app. A number of options should grace your search results. Among them, the official Aramex shipping app stands out, as well as prominent third-party offerings, such as the PH Multi-Carrier Shipping Label app by Plugin Hive. Once you have decided on an Aramex app that fulfills your requirements, our next progression entails installing the app to your Shopify store. A straightforward process that should see your Aramex app wedded to your store in a couple of simple clicks. No sooner is the app installed than we dive into customization, designed to anchor the app deep into the core functionalities of your store. To do this, we head to the Shopify admin page. Here, you'll observe a section titled Apps. Click on it, and amongst the enlisted apps, you should spot your freshly installed Aramex app. Open its settings by clicking on it, which whisks us off to the crucial step of setting up your Aramex credentials. You'll see a section on the settings page labeled as either Aramex information or account setup. It's within this division that your Aramex corporate account details come into play. Enter your credentials, which should consist of your username or email, password, account number, and account PIN. Another important detail to input is your account entity. This would be a 3-letter code representing the Aramex city designations. For instance, BOM for Bombay or DXB for Dubai. Now that your credentials are all set, the next leap involves enabling certain features in order to activate the connection. Among these, ensure you activate the production key coupled with other significant settings relevant to your operations. From here, we dive into personalizing your app to cater to your preferred features. Perhaps you want live shipping rates to display at the checkout, or you may need automatic label generation, or even pickup scheduling takes your fancy. Set these to your liking for an optimized, seamless Aramex shipping experience. Having configured, it's now time to move in and test the waters. Make a test shipment to confirm everything is running like a well-oiled machine. This trial run will check if the app correctly fetches customer information, calculates shipping rates, and generates shipping labels. If all these elements check out, then pat yourself on the back for successfully integrating Aramex and Shopify. From there, you can begin creating shipments from your orders page within the app and manage the entire process automatically. Guided by this tutorial, you should now have the tools to streamline your e-commerce shipping process with ease.